Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 5 Hindi, Chapter 6, Chitti Ka Safar. Story explanation and textbook solution in English. Chitti meaning is letter, Safar meaning is journey or travel. Text letters have an important place in our lives. The tradition of writing letters is very old. We put a postage stamp on it and write complete and correct address so that the letter reaches the person to whom it is being written on time. Here, das barak meaning is 10, 12. Saal meaning is years. Pahunche meaning is reach. Sahi patte meaning is correct address. Beji meaning is sending. Sandesh meaning is message. Pura aur teek pata meaning is correct and full address. Doc ticket is stamp. Here few questions are given. First question is why we paste stamp. Second question they are asking what is the meaning of full address. How to send the message quickly. If there is a change in address, what would we do? So all these questions are asked here. So to know all these answers for these questions, you have to see the two letters. Here, first one, second letter is given as an example. The first one, Mahatma Gandhi and Jahan Ho Wahan and Varda. Only 3 is given. And here in this, the correct address is given with the pin code. So we'll see. When we write address, we have to start from smallest geographic unit in the address and move to largest. Say for example, how we write. First we will write the house number. Number will be writing. Then street, then town, city, and then state, and then pin code. This is how we write address. Starting from the smallest geographic unit, you have to move to the largest one. The smallest geographical unit means the number of the house, name of the street, then the name of the village, town, part of the city in which it is located, then the name of the village or city, and then you have to write the pin code number. So here Mahatma Gandhi ji, since it is known to all, Mahatma Gandhi is known to all, and on that time it would have reached. So here Bhaugolik Ikai meaning is geographical area. Mohalle meaning is street. Gav village. Kasbe meaning is town. Shahar is city. Hisse meaning is area. Pin code you all know that it is 6-digit number. Chant name meaning is sort out. So only if the pin code is written, you can sort out the exact place. Next we'll see about pin code. Pin code is written after the name of the city. Pin code writing helps mail sorters to locate their destination and letters can be delivered more quickly. Because in India you will be having 2 or more cities or village in the same name. So if it is a digit, you can easily sort out the correct address. Pin code was started on 15 August 1972 by the Postal Department in the name of Postal Number Scheme. Postal Number Yojana meaning is Postal Number Scheme. The word PIN is a short form of Postal Index Number. See here, Postal Index Number is given. Pin code of any place is 6 digits. 6 anko meaning is 6 digit. Each number has a specific local meaning. Take for example 110016. In this, the number given in the first place is 1, which indicates Delhi, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab or Jammu and Kashmir. The next 2 digits 10 decides that it is the code of Delhi, sub-region of Delhi. Next, the 3-digit number 016 is the code of the post office of the Delhi sub-region from where the mail is distributed. Similarly, you can find the pin code of your school and pin code of your home. Gar meaning is house pin code number, and then your school pin code number you can find. Where you can find this information, Jankari meaning is information. You can find dictionary, pin code dictionary, like a telephone dictionary. You have pin code dictionary where you can find, or you can write down from the post office which is given in the streets. So famous place and cities pin code where you will find out, you can write the answer. Next, this passage is about stamp collecting. So many people will have the habit or hobby of collecting stamp. Ticket Sangrah meaning is stamp collection. Lokpriya is famous. So we'll see what happens next year. Here Istemal meaning is usage. Badlav meaning is changes. Vikas meaning is development. Sevao meaning is service. With the passage of time, there has been continuous change and development in the postal services. Here this para is about ancient method of sending messages. So in ancient times, messages were sent by pigeons. Here kabudar row meaning is pigeons. There would be a separate person who will be sending messages. There were also been a person who sends messages in ancient days. So here Sansar meaning is communication. Parivahan meaning is transport. Harkaro meaning is messenger, a person who sends messenger. He can go by walk or by house. Good savar meaning is horse riding, so horse. So apart from taking this letter, these messengers have one challenging thing is they have to protect the message from robbers and wild animals. Even today, there are some places like hills in Jammu and Kashmir where they have to send message through some person. So here Durgam meaning is reach, Pahadi meaning is hill station, Nirbhar meaning is depend. Har karo, you know that is this messenger. Daku meaning is robbers. Next, Ladakh, that is a place. Ajkal meaning is nowadays. Nowadays you have many options for sending messages faster. So they are delivering letters, money orders, emails, greeting cards. All these options are available now. So Bejne meaning is sending. Asani meaning is easy. You have easy options available. Upalabdhya meaning is available. Istemal meaning is use. Here patra is letters, money order, email. Badai card meaning is greeting card. So it is surprising to know, to think that how a bird like a pigeon would be acted as a messenger. Kabudaro meaning is pigeons. And it is interesting too. Safar meaning is journey. Dilchasp meaning is interesting. When you think you would get surprised, there are only special type of pigeons. Not all the species of pigeon do the job of carrying messages. Only a species called Girahbaj or Homer. This is the type of pigeon. Only the species of these pigeons will be trained and used for sending postal messages. Here, Prajatyo meaning is species. Rasta meaning is way. So, do you did you think how these pigeons find way? Even they can travel 100 miles in a day. Okay, so these pigeons were very effective in sending messages. The Orissa police is still using Hummer pigeons to deliver messages in any inaccessible areas of the state. Odisha police. Durgam Ilako meaning is not reachable places. So when they will be sending these kind of messages is when there is a law and order violation or any emergency situations, they used to use this kind of messages. Pigeon messaging service is very cheap and it does not cost much. Sasti meaning is cheap. So Karch meaning is there is no need of spending too much. The life of pigeons is 15 to 20 years. In that 8 to 10 years, it can work. Actively, it can work for 8 to 10 years. Healthy pigeon can travel 1000 kilometer per day. So, एक दिन में 1000 kilometer meaning is it can travel 1000 kilometer in a day. When an important message is sent, 2 pigeons are used because if one is attacked by the eagle, then another will reach the place and deliver the message. So here, Baj meaning is eagle. If one is attacked, then other would reach the place and deliver the message. In the Second World War, a pigeon was used to send the message. Dusre Vishwa Yuddha meaning is Second World War. In the book Grey Neck, which is in National Book Trust, it is written in English. If you want to read this book in Hindi, you can write a letter to National Book Trust so that they will print the same book in English. So the address of this place is given. So if you want to make it read in English, you can write a letter to this address so that they will print the same book in English. So this is all about the journey of letter. Next we'll see question answers from this chapter, that is textbook solution. First question, how would the letter reach Gandhiji with the help of only his name and the name of the country? We saw a letter in which only Gandhiji name is written and Varda is written. Gandhiji was famous not only in India but also in abroad. Everyone knew about him that he was there at a particular time. So because of this, letters have reached him only with the help of his name and name of the country. Since he was famous, it would have reached. Second question, if a letter contains someone's name along with the address, will the letter reach the right place? Of course, the letter with the name and address will get into the right place. Third question, what are the problems with not having a name? The absence of a name make it a bit difficult for the postman to know whose letter it is, and the letter may reach someone else's hand instead of that man. So it would reach the proper house. So if a name is not written, then there might be a confusion to whom the letter has to be delivered. Fourth question, what kind of problems would the pedestrian have to face? Paidal har karo. So what kind of problems would the messenger who walks faces? So har karo meaning is messenger. So these messengers who go by walk have to protect the mail because there is a fear of hitting by the robbers or wild animals. Next, fifth question, if you are writing a letter to someone in order in what order you would write the information in the letter or address. So street, locality name, house number, state name, block name, town, city, village name, district name. So all this is written. You have to write the things in the correct order. First you have to write the house number, then street, locality name, block name, town or city, district name, then state name. So starting from smallest geographical unit, you have to move to the bigger one. Next, sixth question. Find an old letter at your house. See it and answer the questions given below. So take a old letter. Purana ya Naya Patra. So you can take old or new letter. So who wrote the letter you have to write? So who has written the letter? So what is written and who has written? On which date was it written? Tariq meaning is date. In which post office and on what date did the letter reach? So how did you know? So you have to answer the questions by seeing the letter. Postcards, inland letters or envelopes are commonly used to send letters. Go to a post office and find out the value and write. You have to write the value of postcard, inland letter and lifafa meaning is envelope. Next, collect post stamps. Put the post stamps from 1 rupee to 10 rupee in order and paste it on your copy notebook. Discuss the collected stamps with your friends. So you can take some stamps and do this work. Next, so dictionary meanings are given. So what you have to do is, so here dictionary meaning of few words are given. Next we'll see a question. Below is a part from a dictionary in which the meaning of the word communication is given. So here communication meaning is given. We'll see the question from here. State which meaning is correct in the context of the text. So the act or method of conveying message to large number of people or distance is the correct. Look at this page carefully and tell what information with the words given in the dictionary. So in the dictionary along with the word, its different meanings, gender, word, male, information, all these informations are given. Next, these are the hard words from this chapter. You can pause the video and loudly say all these words. Ticket, patra, darker, all these words loudly. Pause the video and write down the hard words from this chapter. Next, you have difficult meanings. Gandhavya, destination. Harkaro, the messenger who sends messages on foot. Pravasi, migrant. Sangrah, collection. Jahir, clearly or obvious. Durgam is inaccessible or difficult. So just pause the video and write down these difficult meanings in your notebook. Hope this video is useful. We saw the journey of a letter, textbook solutions in English, and all the difficult words from this chapter. And we also saw the hard words and meanings. Hope this chapter is useful and understanding. We'll see in the next chapter. Thanks for watching.